Tracking the latest as far as the farmer agitation is concerned, Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar will be holding a meeting with MOS's Kailash Chaudhary and Purushottam Rupala today. This is of course coming after another round of talks were held, and 2 days before, a nationwide bandh has been called by farmer unions, a day before the next round of talks take place with the government. Now, we were getting some hints that the government might present a proposal from their side after the next set of deliberations. They've already, in a way, suggested to the farmers' unions that they're willing to address the issues with amendments to the existing farm laws or in any other manner. Let's also go across to my colleague Piyush, who's joining us with more. Piyush, what will be on the agenda as the ministers meet? We'll try and connect with Piyush in just a bit, but this crucial meeting will take place between the minister and the MOSs 2 days before the Bharat Bandh and 3 days before the next round of talks are all set to take place. Piyush is online with us. Piyush, anything more that you know of what is likely to be discussed? Could a proposal be worked out before the next round?
Well, sure, it's going to be very crucial because a very important meeting is now lined up today itself. And remember, on 9th of December, another round of meeting will take place with farmers. But before that, this is going to be very important to see as to how this meeting goes on, because what you're thinking is that Union Agriculture Minister is now going to meet two of his juniors, two junior ministers in the Agriculture Department, the Agriculture Ministry itself. But you're thinking is that this meeting will take place between MOS Kailash Chaudhary and MOS Purushottam Rupala. This is going to be very interesting because the top three ministers of Agriculture Ministry, they are now meeting, and before also we have seen that how Narendra Singh Tomar has been holding series of meetings with top ministers to discuss the kind of demand which the farmers have put for them. We know that farmers are saying that they will go back, they will end their education only and only when government withdraws all three laws, government repeals all three laws. There was a fifth round of meeting also took place, but we saw that it was inconclusive. And now what we're learning is that before that meeting, which is also to take place on 9th of December, this is going to be very important to see as to how these three ministers of Agriculture Ministry are going to sit and do brainstorming over the kind of demands those have been put forth by farmers. Swani.
Right. Yes, we're also getting a response from MOS Agriculture, Kailash Chaudhary, in which also once again he's requesting farmers to be patient and of course have faith that the government wants to sort out all the issues and is ready for amendments as well. Listen it.
ऐसा है कि सरकार का लगातार प्रयास जारी है और किसानों के साथ में हमारी लगातार बैठकें हो रही है और ये 5वें दौर की बैठक भी कल हुई और सौहार्दपूर्ण वातावरण के अंदर बैठक हुई है और मैं सोचता हूं कि किसान निश्चित रूप से इस बात को समझेंगे और किसानों के जो ये बिल है वो किसान हित के बिल हैं और जिसके अंदर किसान को आज़ादी देने वाले बिल हैं। किसान अब देश के किसी भी कोने के अंदर अपने उत्पादन को बेच सकेगा और साथ ही फसल बेचने से पहले पकने से पहले उसको इंश्योर हो जाएगा कि मेरी फसल किस रेट में बिकेगी। तो इस तरह से ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फार्मिंग के और जो बिल आए वो महत्वपूर्ण है और स्वामीनाथन आयोग की सिफारिश के अंदर भी इन्हीं बातों को रखा गया था और उन्हीं बातों को मानते हुए इन बिलों को पास किया गया है। लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी अगर किसानों को किसी प्रकार का इसके अंदर डाउट है तो इसके लिए भारत सरकार उनसे वार्ता निरंतर कर रही है और अगर इसमें संशोधन का विषय होगा या कुछ ऐड करवाना होगा तो उसके लिए भी भारत सरकार है वो निरंतर किसानों के संपर्क में और हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री जी स्वयं इसकी मॉनिटरिंग कर रहे हैं और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि जो कल की वार्ता हुई है उसके अनुसार आगे आने वाली 9 तारीख को जो दोबारा जो वार्ता या जैसी बैठक होगी तो उसके अंदर मुझे लगता है कि देश के किसानों का जो इसमें कोई कंफ्यूजन है तो उसके ऊपर चर्चा करके और इसका कोई उचित हल जरूर निकलेगा। और मैं देश के किसानों से भी यही अपील करूँगा कि देश के अंदर हम सब मिलकर आने वाले किसानों को आने वाले समय में देश को आत्मनिर्भर बनाना है और प्रधानमंत्री जी का लक्ष्य है कि 2022 तक किसानों की इनकम डबल करना है। तो उसमें हम सभी सहयोगी बने और शांति प्रिय अपने इस आंदोलन को शांति प्रिय अपन करके और आने वाले समय के अंदर हम 9 तारीख को कोई ऐसा हल निकले इस बात की हम सब मिलकर चर्चा करेंगे और विचार करेंगे, निश्चित रूप से सफलता मिलेगी।